Sound of success. We got more. One more. We're singing along. We are not shy. We can sing along with Tiff. We do this all day. Here we go. We want y'all in the back. Come forward and sing with us. To sing the chorus.
Come on. I just want you close, yeah.
Yep.
Where we can sing forever.
Keep clapping. We still clapping.
You can be sure that it will only get better. You and me together through the days and nights. I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like, but all I know is everything's gonna be alright.
Everybody together now.
No one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one can get in the way of what I'm
Success. You can also pick up some of her music right over by the Sound of Success booth. She got a DVD of one of her shows. And David, give him something. Give it up for my man David on the drums, y'all. He gonna enter the band right now. D&D Productions coming up. But first, we're gonna showcase some local talent once again. Do what you do. Oh, yeah. 50-50 at 5 o'clock, y'all. Come to the stage. D&D Productions coming up. Yeah.
Alright, I want to get this, but I'm about to. Y'all can go back though.
Yeah, give it up, y'all, local talent. It's the best intermission ever. Oh. Yeah.
Hi.
Go.
Hello.
One more time for David, y'all. D&D Productions coming up. Where you gonna be next, man? Where can we find you?